Hi everybody, welcome to day 8. This one's pretty fast. We are making changes. Congratulations, you all had a baby. I just want a big piece of being able to afford everything is it's so different being able to afford something when you're on your own. Having children greatly changes that. So I just want to have that look. We'll look at all those little pieces of what that might mean. And when you keep in mind too, when we're looking at, I know a lot of people, if you had a baby as a single parent, a lot of people are going to be, if they're your roommate, they're going to be like, I'm out. But I also get that like you could have a significant other that you have the baby with. And then sometimes you have help in those changes too. So it can look different ways. So for this, we're just gonna leave everything as it is and just see like what does the expense of it mean and how does that impact the finances because it's huge. So looking on here, so congrats, yeah, you had your baby. So what you're going to do is just, this is just, the first part is just giving you information of what you're going to put down below. So we're really just kind of continuing with your month 2 expenses. And I just have like expense info. So you're not going to have to write anything to anything. I'm just going to have you put the amount and then we're going to continue the balance. So if I go back up to my check register, whatever I'm ending here, that would also be in your account summary. It would say total from month 2 check register if positive. So it'd either be a positive number or a 0 on there that you would have. So you could just look at that. So if I'm pretending I had maybe like $200 extra, I'd put $200 there, $200 here. Okay, then this is for the amounts. I'm going to look up here and I would say, okay, now I need childcare because I need to work, right? So I need to either pick a home daycare at $800, which is actually can be a little cheap. So you have to be really careful. You're still getting a quality home daycare, but $800 a month. A center daycare, so bringing them to like an actual center like KinderCare or Minneapolis Montessori or different places like that is about $1,400. This is for infants. Infants cost more money to have in daycare than toddlers and preschool, school age, all of those. The cost goes down a little bit. Still expensive though. So I'm going to pick an in-home daycare. That's what I did mostly with my daughter. I found a fabulous one though. I would do a center if I couldn't find a fabulous one, if I could afford it, right? So now I have $200. I have $800 that it's going to cost me for this. So now I'm in the negative 600 already, right? Then I need additional insurance, an additional 150 for that. So again, I'm just going to go through and do all those. I can do my math later. Additional personal care, you have some choices. You can do 150 for baby supplies if you and or significant other would choose to breastfeed. If going to use formula, $70. And I know some people that have a great idea, a grand plan to breastfeed, and sometimes it just doesn't work too. You can have low milk supply, there's all kinds of stuff. So, but this is just extra expenses that come with having a baby. They're really expensive. And then also some baby furniture equipment is needed. So, and this is really a low estimate, but like Target, Walmart items for like cribs, car seats, all of those things, I'm giving you just $500. I'm also aware most people get a decent amount of stuff from like baby showers and things like that too. Or you can spend less on garage sales. My big thing though is you shouldn't get car seats at garage sales. So FYI, you would want to get that at like an actual store and be new because it can be dangerous to have used car seats. If they've ever been in an accident before, they're not safe, even if they look fine, and they expire. So it's just best to get those new, unless you get it from somebody you really know and really trust. Then you know they haven't been in an accident. Okay, so then so this could be the 150. This could be the 200 if you're going cheaper. And then you just do the math with it. But if these aren't your choices, then that's okay. You make your different choices on here and do your math and then see what you end up with at the very end for your balance. Okay, so that is an easy, quick day 8. And then you'll do more and you can probably get started on your day 9, but I'm going to do a separate video for that one. All right, talk to you later. Have a great day.